I don't care because my delusions is what got me here.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe. It's cold outside.
Okay, let me set the mood. Y'all can't even see the lanterns. Hi you guys, welcome to another episode of Vlogmas. If you are new here, this thing is so disrespectful, but anyway, if you're new here, I am Shelly, your new favorite YouTuber, and if you have already been here, then it is just your favorite YouTuber. Welcome or welcome back you guys to another episode of Vlogmas. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I wanted to switch it up and not focus solely on doing vlogs for you guys. I'm actually getting ready to go to my friends and I. We do like an annual Christmas party, or like friends, it's like a Friendsmas party, but this year things are a little bit different due to some unfortunate circumstances, but we're not gonna get into that right now. So we're not doing our regular Christmas party, we're switching it up a little bit. I'm not gonna vlog it, so instead of doing another vlog, I'm gonna tell you guys my wish list. I thought of this idea. I was like, oh my god, I remember back in the YouTube days when I used to sit down and watch people's wish list. And so I created a wish list of my own. I did it a while ago. I was kind of like building it up. My list is just full of things that I actually really want, but it's like a delusional ass wish list, if I'm being completely honest, but I don't care because my delusions is what got me here. So if you haven't already, make sure that you do subscribe to the channel, like this video, and make sure that you do tune into all of my other Vlogmas videos. I've been uploading every single day in the month of December, and I would love to have you guys as part of the family, so don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Now let's go ahead and jump right into my delusions. So I'm gonna start off with my number one thing that's on my list. My wish list is not just gifts that I want other people to get for me, even though I wouldn't be mad if they did, but these are gifts and things that I want to get for myself as well. So the first thing that I have on my list is purchase the merchandise for my business. The website domain, I already own it, I already have it, but purchase the merchandise. I need the merch. Oh my god, not merch, but like the merchandise. I need the products. Y'all know, if you own a business or whatever, you know, starting off, getting the product is the most expensive part. Like having to re-up on products and stuff, that's like the most expensive part. So I just want that to be like, let me just get that. Let me get someone who is consistent with their prices, not gonna keep switching it up just because of whatever is happening in the economy or whatever, even though I understand that, but I just don't want that. So purchase the merchandise for my business is number one on my list. I'm gonna go into the luxury things that I want, and then we will like work our way down to the things that don't cost as much. So I have on here the YSL bag. It's a black YSL bag. It has the gold hardware. I'm actually gonna put it right here. I've been wanting this bag for a while. With my luxury handbags, I'm very particular about the bags that I choose. I always do my research on them. I always look into, are they hard to clean? The type of material that's used to make them. Are they gonna scuff easily? Is it gonna be hard to maintain it? Like with my luxury handbags that I do have, I don't have many, but the ones that I do have, I want to make sure that I can have them for many years to come, and I want to make sure that I maintain, or I keep the condition, or keep them in good condition. I'm not really into like super trendy handbags, but I know what I like when I see it. So this one has been, I've been eyeing it for a while. It's on my wish list, and I don't really care to like buy myself designer bags, but I do like to receive them as gifts. And I do understand and respect the fact that handbags are not cheap. I always like to make sure that I will be able to maintain the bag itself for a long period of time. And I know if it's a fabric that I'm gonna have to take to the cleaners to get it cleaned, and if it's easily gonna scuff, like my Clio, my Prada brushed leather Clio bag, that one does not scuff. Honestly, that's the bag that I would recommend to anyone. It maintains its shape because of how it's made. It doesn't scuff. You can wipe it, you can clean it, you know, it's easy to clean. That bag is a luxury bag that I would recommend anyone to get. It's clean, it's sleek, it's not gaudy, it doesn't have all the, no offense to Gucci, I like my Gucci bags, but all the logos all over it is not it's not always my thing for like an everyday bag, but the Prada bag is just, it's clean, it's sleek, it looks classy. I love it. It's one of my favorites. So with the YSL bag, I like that it has that like slouchy look. I've just been eyeing it for a while, so I put it on my wish list. Now moving on, along with the YSL bag, I have been eyeing the YSL sunglasses. These sleek, they have like this very sleek, thin frame. I have one of those faces. My face shape is one of those faces that a lot of frames look good on my face. And so these are some that I was just kind of going back and forth with. I'm like, this is gonna look right. The frame is, you know, more thin, whatever, but I love how sleek they look. And I always like to have, whenever I get a bag, I always like to have a pair of sunglasses that I can wear with that bag. I don't know why, it's something that I like. So yes, these YSL sunglasses, I really want them, and they have been on my wish list for a while now also. Moving on. Now I probably should have put this one like number 2 on the list, but whatever. They're in no particular order. So next up on my list is the 2024 Audi Q7. So my last 4 cars have been black. This one, I have been obsessing over it in the white. It's like a pearly looking white. Absolutely gorgeous. The interior, all of it, I'm just in love with it. So when I saw this, I'm like, this is going on the wish list. I'm really big on having all black cars. I just like the black on black. It just looks clean, it looks sleek, it looks classy. But when I saw this one in white, I fell in love with it. Now I probably would prefer it more in the black, but when I saw it in the white, I was like, this is mine. Like, she's mine. I have to have it. So I put it on my wish list. Yeah, we're just gonna wait and see. I don't know what could happen. We don't know what the future holds, but for right now, it's on my wish list. And Christmas is around the corner. I have no plans on going and buying a new car yet, or right now, but this is a delusional wish list. So my delusions are telling me that this Audi Q7 will be in my future, in my near future, actually. Next up on my list, I have the Dior saddlebag. This isn't something that I feel like I really want. It's a trendier bag, I know, but I don't know, for some reason when I saw this one a long time ago, when it first like became big, I did fall in love with it, but I didn't really want it then because I felt like everyone had it, everyone was rocking it, whatever. And now that the hype has sort of died down, I'm like, okay, I think it's time, you know? I think it's time for me to get this bag. So I put it back on my wish list. I had it on my wish list a few years ago, but I put it back on my wish list because, yeah, I don't know, I'm into it again. And I really just like that the hype died down on the bag. I'll put the one up here that I like the most of the few that I've been eyeing. Moving on, I have on the list the Prada loafers. I am obsessed with these Prada loafers. I've wanted them, actually I wanted them for my birthday last year, and I ended up getting the Gucci loafers, which I have had such a hard time with finding something to wear with them. But the Prada ones are, like, I see myself being able to just throw them on. I see how other people have been dressing them up and styling them, and I'm just obsessed with all the different looks. And I don't know, they're just a very sleek, almost remind me of like a college girl look. I feel like a lot of people always say that I dress like a college girl, which whatever, I take that as a compliment. But yeah, I don't know, I feel like the Prada loafers just give like cute, simple, you know, like outfit looks. And those are just some shoes that I've some shoes that I've been eyeing for a very long time. So I might end up grabbing those, not gonna lie. But yeah, the Prada loafers are also on my list. I'm a bit ridiculous with this list. Okay, so I put trip to Thailand to watch the elephants. I don't know, it's on my bucket list. I want to go to Thailand and watch the elephants, and that's just what I want to do while I'm there. I don't care about any of the other stuff. I want to go and visit the elephants. If you guys don't know, elephants are my favorite animal, and yeah, I just want to go to Thailand and watch the elephants. So that's on my wish list, as well as going to Napa Valley to go wine tasting. That's also on my wish list. If you didn't watch my last birthday vlog, I went to, my friends and I, we had a villa in Wisconsin, and we went to a winery. I love wine so much, and I feel like what better way to get some good wine than to go to Napa Valley and do a whole wine tasting for like 3 days straight. Like, hello. My wish list isn't that delusional because I feel like all these things can be done in like 3 months time. Next up on my list, I have, so we're moving down to the things that aren't crazy expensive. I have the Lululemon tote bag, which I put that on my list before I even got it, and now I have it, so I guess I can check that off my list. But I did hear that Lululemon is something going on with Lululemon? What's up? What's the tea? I need to do some research on that because I did see a few comments about Lululemon that I'm not too excited about. But I do have the tote bag. It was on my list before I even knew anything about anything that's going on with them. Another item that's on my list, I have the Mason Francis Kurkdjian. I know I'm butchering it, but it's the Silk Mood fragrance. It's the oud one. Y'all, when I tell you, this smells like silk. It smells so sexy. I think I might even have to go grab that like next week. My list is so like, but I put the UGG slippers, the Taz Shearling braided platform. I feel like they're always sold out. Yeah, so they're on my wish list. I want them. They are so cute. When I first saw them, I'm like, I have to have these. Next up on my list is a full spa day, specifically at a water spa. I really want to go. I want to do, of course, Milo's squeaking his toy. Hold on, buddy. Hold on, okay? Here, okay. All right. There you go. So the full spa day, I wanted at a water spa. I want to go to a water spa. I've been to the one in Chicago before. Absolutely loved it. Had such a good time, but I want to go back. I want a full day at the spa. Full day. So I want the massage, the facial, to swim in the different waters, all of the things. I want that. Another thing on my list is a hatch alarm. I want a hatch alarm. I know I could buy it for myself, but it's on my wish list, okay? I didn't get it yet. The next thing that I have on my list is a Santal 26 candle. I also have an H&M robe on my list. I bought that. I actually bought that. I looked at it last night on my list and I was like, let me just order this. It's on my wish list, but I went ahead and ordered it anyway. And then Victoria's Secret pajamas. This was on my wish list because we are doing like a secret Santa in my family, and so I just was like creating a list of things that I wanted, and I was like, let me throw everything on my list that I want and not just the things that are like super delusional or seem way out. And that was on my list and I actually bought them. I bought the Victoria's Secret pajamas and they're so cute. So I will link the ones, or show you guys right here the ones that I did order, and I'll link them down below so you guys can get you some also if you want or would like. There's another item on my wish list that's pretty major that was supposed to be, it's like a larger thing. I was gonna mention it in the beginning of the video, but I decided to keep it to myself because it's actually like something that was on my vision board, and I don't know, I feel weird about letting people know the things that I have on my vision board until they come true. So I'm not gonna mention the other things that I have on my list that are on my vision board because I just, you know, what people don't know they can't mess with, you know? So I'm gonna hold off on that. But these are all the things that are on my wish list as of right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this little delusional wish list video. Do not forget to, I have to hold his toy because he keeps squeaking it. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you guys tomorrow.